Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm going to do the another interesting diagnostic. Basically, this is 2020 Citroen Berlingo, not much high mileage, 71,000 miles. Basically, what happened 2 weeks ago, this car came and sorry, actually not 2 weeks ago. Before this car came to me and they do some diagnostic for the AdBlue problem. But however, once the car came here, I couldn't find any faulty code because it's all reset from the roadside recovery guy. Then I said to them, look, I couldn't find anything at the moment, but use the car as it is, and once the light come, bring it back. But however, 2 weeks ago, this car light came. Then after that, they stopped somewhere and did not start anymore. Then they bring it to back. Once they came, I'll check the visually the AdBlue line. Then after that, I found this injector leaking. You can see all around leaking. This is that blue injector. Then after that, I thought this is the problem because I noticed physically it's leaking. So then I changed AdBlue injector. Once I done the job, I'll check my meter reading and I noticed the this one around 6 point something, 6.304. Basically I notice AdBlue pump work because of the pressure. I'm going to say it's working. So everything okay to me, and I saw the whole temperature sensors went up, everything as should be. I didn't notice anything. Then I hand over the car as it is, and I told them to top up AdBlue, but they said they did. Yeah, apart of that we didn't do anything. Then after 186 miles the vehicle came today, and now when I check the pressure for the AdBlue pump, it's 5.95. Little bit lower the specs, but however, I'm going to do couple of diagnostic underneath, and I'll come back to you because when I check faulty code P20EE DNOx faulty. Anyway, this is just for the faulty code for the our reference, but it's not giving any direction. But after that I check the DPF good for me, no any blockage, it's doing the job. Yeah, however, I'm going to underneath and I'll come back to you. I remove this draining point. You can see the this is the draining point. It's holding with this is the underneath that blue tank. It's holding with one screw, this one. Yeah, after that I took the sample out. When I smell this one, it's like a we are using socks 4 5 days. Very smelly. I think this AdBlue contaminated, and I check with my meter. It's a 34. Basically, this AdBlue contaminated. What I had to do, I had to drain the whole AdBlue. Then after that, I need to refill with the new AdBlue and have a look what's going on. That's why there could be problem. Okay, let's drain the AdBlue. Right. This area smell like a yucky. Yeah. Okay, I leave it like that to until the drain everything, and I'm going to open the tank. Yeah. Right. I already jack up the car other side. It's still this way. I already opened the underneath. This is good quality AdBlue. I'm going to fill here. It will come out from bottom. Have a look the bottom. Right. Now all flush it out. Okay, then right. Now what I have to do, again jack it up this side, install everything, refill with the new can. I'm going to install everything underneath. Right, done. Right, this is new AdBlue, never used before. Yeah, check the expiry date. It has another 1 year, and also I'm going to check the how about the quality. Make sure always use this batteries. It's good for your car, otherwise you ending with garages. Yeah, this one exactly 32.5. Okay, I'm happy. Right, next thing I need to check the smell. No smell. Have a look. I'm going to add 8 liters at the moment. Yeah, I'm going with the 10 liters. Yeah, okay. How about the pressure after 15 minutes for the, what do you call, the AdBlue pump? We'll see. Yeah, I'm going to start the vehicle. Yeah, at the moment pressure 4 bars. Yeah, we'll see after 2-3 minute hold in the RPM around 3000. I can see the temperature going up. Yeah, right. You can see the this one went to the 6 bars. Before it's 5.95, now 5.7, 5.69. However, I'm going to use the car another 200-300 miles and have a look what's going on there. Yeah, weeks gone now. Hopefully enough time for the driver. I'm going to contact driver and have a look what's going on there now.
Hello.
Hi, you okay?
Yeah.
Charlie. Hello, Charlie here.
Yes.
Yeah, how is your van? Just the check with you. How is the van going on?
It's going on okay.
At the moment, it's good, yeah.
Yeah. It flashed up one night, one evening.
Mm.
Yeah, but the next day stopped. So I'm waiting for it to show up again,
Mm.
and maybe, yeah, pick it back.
At the moment, it's working okay then.
Yeah, but as I said, it came up, the error came up again,
Uh,
and when we stopped it, hoping that the next day it won't start.
uh,
But it started up again. It kind of reset itself.
okay.
So at the moment it's okay. Yeah.
At the moment, whatever the you saw the some error message, but it wasn't happened like before.
It showed the same message here on the board, yeah.
On the board, but when you see before, you couldn't start the car, yeah. This time you can start the car.
On one instance, yeah.
Ah, right. Okay. Then after that, it's never happened again.
Yeah, it actually happened 2 days ago.
Two-
to be fair with you.
2 days ago. Then after that, you didn't see any more again.
No.
But this time you didn't call to the breakdown people, yeah?
No.
Just start the car, it started.
Yeah.
Ah, right, okay. Yes, you all heard what he said. Yeah, at the moment, another successful job. Yeah, if you have a like this problem, you know what to do now. Thanks for watching. See you with the next video.